Welcome to this short presentation video where I will share with you the installation of the lighting for Gladsaxe swimming bath. In 2012, Lumega was involved with the lighting in the swimming bath, and that's nearly 10 years ago, and there's still light inside. Now, for 1 year ago, the municipality and the organization behind the swimming bath decided to make a total renovation of the entrance area because it was quite old. And for that, Lumega was chosen with the lighting, also together with Louis Poulsen. So we have, in a combination, made a really nice general lighting and also a really nice RGB white lighting where you can change through a lot of different colors. I will share some different information with you about the RGB. RGB solution is a really interesting solution, red, green and blue, where you can change in between a lot of different colors. They have decided to go with the Wi-Fi solution, where you can change the colors through your mobile device. So you will have an app installed and then you can change the colors through that. When it comes to the RGB solution, you can get it in a lot of different formats. There is downlights, there is 60/60 luminaires, and there's also a lot of other LED strips and linear solutions as well. The RGB solution is a really interesting concept where you can change in between a lot of different colors as mentioned. The really great thing about it is also that you can get them as downlights, you can get them as linear solutions, and you can also get them as round big luminaires, surface mounted typically. So if you need anything when it comes to the RGB solution, especially RGB white, then Lumega is the right choice when it comes to customized solutions for lighting.